Okay, so the next one is the Goblet Bulgarian split squat. Honestly, for this one, the word goblet, it just all it means is how you're holding it, how you're holding the weight. So it could mean you're holding it like this. If it's a kettlebell, if it's also a kettlebell, you can hold it this way. There's no right or wrong when you start. You can either, if you want to, you can use a dumbbell. So for example, you can even just do this. It's just how you hold it. In terms of the movement, I put my foot on top. Now, because if it's a box where it's quite high, I want to use my instep. If it's a bench, it's quite low, I can use the top of my toes. In terms of the distance, if I'm too far back, my shin will get in the way. So bring yourself out a bit. Okay? You're gonna make it so my knee can track and go towards the box and or bench. This is your goblet, just how you're holding it. Chest up, shoulders back, tighten your core, drive down. From here, push off the front. From here, push off the front, okay? From here, up, push from the front. This is exactly the same, again, goblet, just how you're holding it. So it'd be like this. There's no change. You pick whatever is easiest to hold. Have a go.